The Motorimpex Group of Companies has developed and implemented a test stand, unique in its technological effectiveness, for one of the companies of Metinvest Holding. Before installing hydraulic cylinders on equipment, our customer must test them in order to avoid unforeseen situations during the working process. We were approached with the task of automating and speeding up the testing process, as well as adding functionality for assembling, disassembling cylinders for repair work. Previously, tests were carried out on a homemade hydraulic drive, which produced a pressure of 100 bar. This did not allow to fully access the performance of the hydraulic cylinders, which operate in hydraulic systems with a pressure of 315 bar. The engineering and design staff of the Motorimpex Production Enterprise has designed and implemented an automatic stand, which tests cylinders weighing up to 3 tons, with a total dimension of 18 meters with fully extended piston rod. The Department of Automatic Control Systems has implemented the options for checking the startup pressure and idle speed. Previously, the process of unscrewing the cylinder caps took around 2 hours of working time from the workshop specialists. They spent less than 20 seconds with our stand. The force for loosening or tightening is up to 90,000 newtons per meter. We even carried our tests of the stand by bending a profile pipe. Among the innovations in the field of hydraulics, we have installed indicators showing the leaks of working fluid through the hydraulic cylinder seals. Thanks to the inspection of the hydraulic cylinders of the entire fleet of casting and rolling shops of metallurgical plants at the stand of Motorimpex Group of Companies, the distributors are confident in their interrupted operation. You can contact us if you need a stable and easy-to-use hydraulic drive with which there is no possibility of equipment downtime.